my Fabfitfun winter box. It came in the mail today. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to show you all the holiday goodies I got. And I did get a few add-ons. I keep telling myself that, oh, I'm not going to get any add-ons, but every time I find something. So I really like Fabfitfun because you can always find really cheap add-ons to go along with your box. So I'm going to open it up, have some scissors here. This is the Fabfitfun box, and it's all holiday themed, as you can see. Oh my god, I'm so excited. And this is what we got inside. Ooh, a lot of things fell out. Some little brochures and coupons, because you can never have too many coupons with Fabfitfun, right? And you also got a Discover wine scratcher. So, always great to have. They're always trying to get me to buy HelloFresh. I don't know what's up with HelloFresh. HBO Max, and then you get your little Fabfitfun catalog to look inside and see what, you know, you got, and a little bit of info about everything. I don't know. Those are kind of like interesting to read when you're bored. I have nothing else to read, so it comes in handy. So what I got is amazing. I love it so much. I know some of the things I got to customize 4 of the 6 products I got in my box. So I'm really excited to go through this. I already seen some stuff. It's like Christmas to me. Winter. It came in December. It's Christmas. This is like one of my Christmas presents right here. And I got some whitening toothpaste from Black. I believe that's what it's called. But I've been seeing this all over Fabfitfun, so I decided to get some and try it out. It's vegan and gluten-free with a peppermint and activated charcoal. I do need new toothpaste because I'm getting really low on some of my other ones, so got this one just to be prepared. You can never have too much toothpaste, right? What is this? I got some Isaac Mizrahi, New York cheetah slippers. What? That is so cool. Oh my gosh. And they're just my size, I can tell. Oh my god, they're so furry too. And they have some grip on the bottoms here. Oh my gosh, I didn't even pick this one out. This must be one of the products that was randomly selected. But oh my gosh, these are so cute. Now I have so many pairs of slippers. I'm excited. Ooh, so far so good. Oh, I'm just like, I'm looking at this box. I'm like, oh my gosh, this is amazing. I'm so excited. I got some magnetic black claw-like nails. Those were add-on, and they were really cheap too, so I'm really excited to try this whole Glamatic line of products. I don't know, I just really find these interesting, and I can't wait to try them out. I love the black glossy nails, so really excited to try that out. Ooh, so much fun. I love me a good black nail, so if those ones are really good, I'll let you know. There will be a video for sure. Then I got, the Robe. This was an add-on. It was going to come in the regular box, but I picked another item, so I wanted the Robe as well. It's a small, extra small robe. Oh, and it's so soft. And it's like an off-white. It's kind of like a dirty looking white. I don't know, but I don't know. Really like this one. I really like robes. Ooh. Oh, it's so fancy. Oh. I love it already. It is so plush and super soft. It feels like a blanket. Oh, this is going to be so good for in the mornings when it's like freezing. Oh. Let's try it on. It has a hood. That is so cool. It fits perfectly so far. This one is from Summer and Rose. It's a stay extra warm and cozy robe. I don't know if it has, oh, it's supposed to have like a, oh, it has this thingy to tie around your waist. It has a belt. Oh my gosh, that is so cool, but I love the hood. The hood is amazing, especially when you want to go outside real quick when it's raining, like a light rain, and you don't want to like change. You can just put on your robe and go outside and get the newspaper in like those classic movies. Oh my god, this is so warm. It looks so nice. Let me show you. Look at that. It looks so cool. I know I'm standing on my bed. Leave me alone. I don't have any space. So this is what I have. It's so plush. And it has pockets, I think, too. Oh my god, it has pockets. It has a hood. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Next up, I found in my box some Sonic Bluetooth speakers. Or it's a speaker, whatever. It's so cool from Sonia. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. They really outdid themselves with this box. Oh, and it's so cute. It's a pink speaker. It's a pink speaker. Look at that. It's kind of vintagey looking in a way, kind of. And here's the cord and everything for it. Oh my gosh. That's so cool. I love it. And then I have a beanie from Michael Kors. That is so cute. I don't really wear beanies, but maybe I'll wear it. That is so cool. Oh my gosh. They gave me so many cool things. I don't really wear beanies, so bear with me, but like that, I guess. Well, that's cute. It's kind of like a Santa hat in a way. So, there we go. There's the Michael Kors beanie on. Really adorable. I like the color too. I think it'll go great with like a lot of my black clothes. For in the winter when it gets super cold at night, I can wear my beanie with my little, go great with my cardigan. The Nightmare Before Christmas cardigan. That one has like some gray in it, so that'll be adorable to wear with it. Oh, so cute. Once the holidays are done and January comes in, I can wear my beanie. Even during the holidays. I'm so excited. It's so pretty. From Michael Kors too. I love Michael Kors. Michael Kors is everything. Really love their products and been a fan for a long time, so really excited to see this. Oh, and this one was chosen for me. Also have some hot chocolate ball maker molds. That is so cute, and they're from Modern Bliss, I believe. That's the company. And you can make your own little hot chocolate bombs and give them out as gifts if you want to. That would be so fun. I'm not sure how to make a hot chocolate bomb, so I'm gonna have to use my Google research skills to see what I can do for these. Or you can even make bath bombs too. If you don't want to make like chocolate bombs, you can use this for a bath bomb too. The possibilities are endless. So we have another product that was chosen for me. It is the Vitamus Ease, I don't even know. Vitamuscus, I don't know. Cranberry and apple probiotic repair. Vitamin C, multi-peptides, and probiotic. 3 sheet mask. Oh, we got the sheet mask. Oh, yay. I'm not sure the brand because that's a word. But these are the masks that you got in your box. And they're all the same flavor scent. My box is amazing. This is one product I chose for myself, the Tula Skincare, the cult classic purifying face cleanser. right here. Really excited to see what this one is all about. I like their exfoliating pads. Those ones are amazing. Oh, this smells really good. It smells clean and fresh. It kind of smells like clean linen in a way, that scent. Oh, it smells very clean and fresh. That's a good one. That's a very good scent. And it has probiotics and superfoods, so we got a lot of probiotics here. Then we have the Unhide for love, not fur. Oh, we got some stickers. Yay! Then we have a coupon for $15 off your box if someone wants a Fabfitfun code. Let me know in the comment section below. I will give you the code. I got the blanket. I got the charcoal gray one. And it's supposed to be small, I guess. Ooh. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. Ooh. This is good. This is good. I'm excited, you guys. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited to use this. Oh my god, I can put it on the bed tonight. Use it as a cozy blanket to curl up in. Oh, this is my blanket. No one else can have it. If Jay complains about being too small, well, it's my blanket, you know. Oh. Oh, look at that. It's like pretty big and it's really weighted. It has some weight to it. It's kind of heavy. It's not a weighted blanket, but it's heavy. You guys, like, this is no joke heavy. Like, it is going to be good for the winter. And this is what it looks like inside. It has just furriness all around. So, oh, it smells so clean and fresh and new. Oh my god. It feels so soft. Oh. Never going to want to leave my room ever again because of all this warmth. My box is amazing. I got everything I wanted for Christmas. Oh, I love it. I love it. It's so awesome. Definitely check out Fabfitfun. If you need the code, like I said, I will give you it. Just ask me in the comment section below. I don't need the code, so get your hands on the winter box while you can. I didn't get the magnetic eyelashes. You know what? I chose the magnetic eyelashes. Maybe they gave me something else because they had to make up for it. Which I'm not mad. Like, I don't really wear eyelashes, you know what I mean? So it's kind of like not that big of a deal for me. You know, I'm not like a huge eyelash fan. I just wanted to try them out because, you know, they always seem pretty interesting to me, and like everyone hypes them up so much, so I was like, well, I'll give it a shot. But you know what? I'm not even mad at it because I got some really awesome products. I got a freaking Bluetooth speaker. I think that's better than some eyelashes. And I got a nice furry hat. I got some slippers. I'm happy I got the nails, so the magnetic nails will tell me if the eyelashes are good, I guess, or I don't know. Anyway, I'm happy with everything that I got. I want to thank all of you guys for joining me while I went through my Fabfitfun box with all of you. If you guys enjoyed this video, which I hope you did, please let me know by leaving a huge thumbs up down below. It's very appreciated. Subscribe for more videos. As always, I'll talk to all of you lovely people next time. Bye everyone.